Hello and welcome to the ACMS online field school on literature in 20th and 21st century Mongolian history. My name is Simon Wickhamsmith, and during our 6-week course we'll be reading some 20 short stories written since the late 1920s by some of Mongolia's most important writers. The course will be run much like a weekly book club, with all of us sharing our experiences of reading the stories and our impressions of how these Mongolian writers dealt with issues such as love, revolutionary politics, the natural world, spirituality, the idea of the modern, the strange mysteries of daily life, and death. I will be on hand both as the translator of the stories and as a guide to Mongolian culture and history to suggest ways of reading the stories. Whether you are new to Mongolia or have visited the country already, I hope that you can join us in our exploration of a fiction which, while certainly different, will also seem very familiar.